How to see recently added friends on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to see recently added friends on Snapchat. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And now in order to see the recently added friends on Snapchat, go ahead and tap on the person with plus symbol icon on the top right of your screen. In this interface, you can see various things such as quick add options, which allow users to quickly add individuals. Nevertheless, to see recently added friends on Snapchat, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen. You will see three options. Tap on the recently added by me option. Now in this particular interface, you will be able to view all the Snapchat users that you have recently added. So this is how you can see recently added friends on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.